exploring the phrase, "a toast to you," unveiling its meaning and usage. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard in movies, TV shows, or social gatherings, "a toast to you." This video will explore what it means, how it's used, and some interesting cultural contexts behind it. Let's raise our metaphorical glasses and learn together. A toast to you is a phrase often used in social settings. A toast is a way of honoring someone or something by raising a glass of drink and saying a few words of appreciation or celebration. When someone says, "a toast to you," they are essentially celebrating or congratulating the person they are addressing. It's a sign of respect, admiration, or affection. You might hear, "a toast to you," at special occasions like weddings, birthday parties, or professional achievements. Here are some scenarios. At a friend's wedding, "a toast to you, the lovely couple, for a lifetime of happiness." Celebrating a promotion, "a toast to you on your well-deserved success." Remember, while making a toast, it's customary to briefly pause, raise your glass, and make eye contact with the person or group you're toasting. Toasting has a rich history and varies across cultures. In English-speaking countries, it's a gesture of goodwill. Understanding the cultural context is important, especially in formal settings. A toast can be simple or elaborate, but the core idea remains the same. It's about acknowledging and celebrating someone's achievements or presence. A toast to you is more than just a phrase. It's a warm, celebratory gesture that brings people together. Whether you're at a formal event or a casual gathering, knowing this phrase and its usage can enrich your social interactions. Cheers to learning and growing in our language journey.